When you say murder charges, was it first degree, second degree? Were they looking for the death penalty?
So it was a second-degree murder, but with a firearm. So if if someone's found guilty of that, then you're facing mandatory life in prison.
And did the state offer any plea bargain ahead of time?
If I'm not mistaken, I think their offer was 30 years.
30 years.
Yes.
And your client just blatantly refused.
Right. At one point, he had been in custody for about 5 years. So he was in custody about 5 years before he hired me. When he hired me, I took him to trial within 8 months. But, we even asked for a 10-year offer. At that point, he would have been 5 years in. He would have only had to do 5 years left with gain time, do about 3.5 years. And the state rejected the 10-year offer.
Now, was this a private case or was this a state-appointed Jack case?
No, it was a private case.
A private case,
yes.
Yeah, okay. And what people don't realize is when they're represented by a private attorney, your chances are so much better than the public defender's office, which has like an abundance of cases and are just trying to plea bargain everything.
Yeah. I mean, look, I started my career as a public defender. I was a public defender in Broward for 4 years. Best job I had in my life. But, I don't ever say anything bad about public defenders. There's great public defenders out there. But the problem is that you have so many cases. So you don't have the time to spend on each case as you would as a private attorney, where you can really focus on each case.